Well, here's a three-way switch in our bathroom, and of course I've got the light turned on. If I push the bottom, then that turns the light off. If I push the top, that turns the light on. And of course, that's how it ought to be. That's how life ought to be. But if I turn it off and decide to come in the other door, and I reach over here and I push the top, nothing happens because the bottom has to be pushed when you want to turn the light on. So there's a way to fix this, and I'm about to show you how to do it. Okay, so first of all, we have to get this out of there. This is the part where you have to be real careful, because what you're going to do is take this out like this and turn it over. And you should have the power turned off when you do this. And then you put it back in. And that's all there is to it. So now that's off now, and that's on the bottom. It goes off. When we hit the top, it goes on. When we go to the other switch, same thing. Hit the top, it goes on. Hit the bottom, it goes off. Just like it should be. Now, if somebody comes in and turns it off at this end, okay, you notice the top is pushed in and the top is pushed in over here. So they're still the same. So if you want to fix it like that, then you go over here and you fix it like that. So now, no matter what, as long as you keep it the same, they both work the same. Push the top, light comes on. Push the bottom, light goes off. Thanks for watching.